Compensations and benefits. People who work for a business expect to be paid for their time and their contributions. Most workers today also expect certain benefits from their employers. Indeed, a major factor in retaining skilled worker is companies' compensation system. The total package of reward that it offers employees in return for their labor. Although wages and salaries are key parts of all the compensation system, most also include incentives and employee benefits programs. We can discuss these and other type of employees benefits in this part of our discussion. We can talk about that if finding the right combination of compensation elements is always complicated by the need to make employees feel valued while holding down companies' cost. The compensation system differs widely depending on the nature of industry and company and the type of workers involved. Wages and salaries. Wages and salaries are the dollar amounts paid to employees for their labor. Wages are paid for time worked. For example, the workers who are paid by the employer on the system of payment by hour, they receive the wages. A salary is paid for discharging the responsibility of a job. A salary executive earning 100,000 per year is paid to achieve results, even if that means that working for 5 hours on a day or 15 hours on a day. Next, salaries are usually expressed as an amount paid for the year on per month. It can be that of either per month or that of per year. In setting wages and salaries levels, a company may start by looking at its competitors' level. A firm that pays less than its rival knows that it runs the risk of losing the valuable personnels. Conversely, to attract top employees, some companies pay more than their rivals. M&M Mars, for example, pays managerial salaries about 10% above the average in candy and snack food industry. A firm must also decide how its internal wage and salary levels will be compared for different jobs. For example, Sears must determine the relative salaries of store managers, buyers, and advertising managers. In turn, managers must decide how much to pay individual workers within the company's wage and salary structure. Although two employees may do exactly the same job, the employees with more experience may earn more. Moreover, some union contracts also specify different wages based on experience. What are the incentive programs? Naturally, employees feel better about their companies when they believe that they are being fairly compensated. However, studies and experience have shown that beyond a certain point, more money will not produce better performances. Indeed, neither across the board nor cost of living wage increase cause people uh, to work harder. People pursue to work harder. Money motives employees only. Money motivates employees only if it is tied directly to their performances. The most common method of establishing this link is the use of incentive programs. Special pay programs designed to motivate high performances. Some programs are available to individuals, whereas the others are distributed on a company wide basis. There are individual incentives and then there are company wide incentives. We'll discuss both of them in our next video.